about today's myth: responding to reviews, particularly on Google My Business, and if it impacts your SEO or not. For reference, customer review data shows that 53% of consumers expect a review response within 7 days, but only 36% ever get a response. So you may be thinking, Anna, I know that reviews impact my SEO, but what does responding have to do with it? Great question. Let me pass it over to our correspondent, Liz Legel, who's going to dive into today's myth: responding to reviews doesn't impact SEO.
Thanks, Anna. So like Anna just said, today we're focusing on debunking that responding to reviews has no SEO impact. Google reviews are more than just a customer's thoughts on a product or a service. They're a barometer for the business's performance. Overwhelming positive reviews and ratings mean that things are working, while negative reviews can reveal some major pain points. Responding to both review types shows that a business cares deeply about each person's opinion of the customer experience. Treat each response with equal weight, and you can get better customer engagement and brand awareness. And the bottom line is, Google notices when you respond. Each time you send a response, it signals to Google that your business is active, meaning it's responding to customers. This is helpful for your overall SEO strategy and search ranking. The takeaway: when you connect with your customers, Google will reward your business with better visibility. Additionally, we know that Google reviews can help improve search engine ranking and general SEO efforts. So, if you gain more new relevant Google reviews from customers and respond to those reviews, since Google rewards that behavior and interaction, you have a double whammy strategy for your SEO search ranking. And with that, we've closed the case. Responding to reviews does impact your SEO. Back to you, Anna, to wrap up this myth.
Thanks, Liz, for cracking the code on today's myth. Responding to reviews is not only important to build trust with your customer base and to show Google that you're active on your Google My Business profile, but it's also important to get your customers to leave new reviews so that you have more to respond to, which therefore will impact your ranking on Google and improve your SEO. We do have a blog post following this video that will help explain how to get new Google reviews and how to make these work for your business. Thank you for watching this episode of ReviewTrackers Mythbusting. If you do have any questions on your Google My Business profile, please reach out to us as we are a Google My Business featured partner. Thank you so much.